Addiction is everywhere. It is ruining lives. And it's not just about drugs or alcohol anymore. It's your phone, social media, gaming, corn, junk food, or something worse, it doesn't matter. It's holding you back. It's time to break free and take control of your life. This guide will hit you hard, but that's what you need. Here's the truth. These habits are dragging you into a pit. You'll wake up one day as a broke, depressed shell of yourself, wondering what went wrong. But there's a way out. It's not easy. It takes effort, focus, and grit. By the end of this, you'll have everything you need to finally take control, quit your addictions, and build the life you actually want. Step 1. Understand addiction. Addiction isn't magic. It's your brain chasing dopamine, a chemical that makes you feel good. Every time you eat chocolate, play video games, scroll Instagram, or watch corn, your brain floods with dopamine. It feels amazing. But here's the problem. What goes up must come down. After the high, your dopamine crashes. You feel tired, unmotivated, and miserable. And what does your brain do? It craves another hit. It's a vicious cycle. The more you chase quick dopamine, the worse the crash, and the more you need to feel normal again. Eventually, the things you used to enjoy, reading, hanging out with friends, even just sitting in peace, stop feeling rewarding. Your brain's fried, and you're stuck on a hamster wheel chasing fleeting pleasure. Step 2. Admit you have a problem first. Stop lying to yourself. You're addicted. You know it. Whether it's vaping, social media, corn, gaming, or something else, it's eating away at your time, your energy, and your goals. Think about it. How many times have you let it stop you from doing what you need to do? The first step to fixing anything is admitting it's broken. Are you addicted? Be honest. Look at how much time you waste on video games, social media, or whatever your vice is. If you spend hours screaming into a mic over a bad teammate in any game, you're not just relaxing, you're addicted. And it's destroying your mental health. Ask yourself, what is this addiction costing me? How much of my life am I wasting on it? Face the truth. If you can't admit it, you'll never change. Step 3. Find the root cause. Why are you addicted? Look deeper. It's not just about the vape, the app, or the hit of dopamine. What's really driving this? Is it boredom? Is it stress? Are you avoiding something? For example, if you're glued to your phone all day, maybe it's because you're bored out of your mind. If you're vaping, maybe it's a way to handle anxiety. Identify the problem. You can't fix what you don't understand. Step 4. Replace the addiction. Your brain craves dopamine. That's why addiction feels good. It's a shortcut to that happy chemical. But shortcuts are dangerous. You need to replace the bad habit with something better. When I realized gaming was ruining my life, I didn't just stop playing. I started working out. At first, it was just something to pass the time. But over weeks, I noticed I was spending more time in the gym and less time gaming. I felt good after workouts, saw progress, and got hooked on that instead. Find something healthy that raises your dopamine slowly. Read, write, do martial arts, hang out with real friends, or learn a skill. The goal isn't to stop chasing dopamine, but to get it from things that build you up instead of tearing you down. Step 5. Obsess over something new. Sometimes replacing a habit isn't enough. You need to go deeper. You need a new obsession, something so big it takes over your thoughts and your time. For me, it was starting a YouTube channel. I became so obsessed with growing my channel that I didn't even think about gaming anymore. My time and energy were completely consumed by this new goal. Gaming wasn't fun anymore. It was a distraction from what I actually cared about. Find something that lights a fire in you, a goal, a dream, a project. Make it your obsession. Step 6. Set a strong reason to quit. Quitting an addiction isn't easy. You need a solid reason to push through when it gets tough. Write it down. Make it real. Here's how. I'm quitting vaping because I don't want to wreck my lungs. I'm quitting corn because it's ruining my relationships. I'm quitting TikTok because I'm wasting my life scrolling nonsense. Be brutal with yourself. Stick that reason somewhere you'll see it every day. Your mirror, your phone, your wall. Make it your lock screen if you have to. Step 7. Fight the urges. Smartly, urges will hit you hard. That's normal. But fighting them head-on rarely works. Here's the trick. Don't resist the urge. Redirect it. When you feel the pull to play games, scroll social media, or open incognito mode, think about something that makes you happy instead. It could be a childhood memory, your favorite place, or a moment when you felt proud. Your brain can only focus on one thing at a time. Don't fight the bad thoughts. Overwrite them with better ones. Step 8. Fix your mental health. Most addictions don't start because you're lazy or weak. They start because you're trying to cope with pain, stress, or feeling like your life is out of control. You feel bad, so you reach for something that makes you feel good, fast. But here's the hard truth. If you don't fix your mental health, you'll keep falling into the same trap. You can't just quit your addiction and call it a day. You have to heal from the inside out. If your mind stays a mess, you'll always go looking for that quick dopamine hit to escape. To break free for good, you need to build a stronger, healthier mind. Here's how to build a stronger mind. 1. Pray every day. Prayer isn't just for religious people. It's for anyone who needs peace and direction in their life. Take 5 to 10 minutes daily to pray, speak from your heart, and connect with divinity. Use this time to express gratitude, seek guidance, or simply find strength to face your challenges. Prayer helps calm the chaos in your mind, gives you clarity, and reminds you that you're not alone. God is with you. He loves you more than 70 mothers. He is closer to you than your jugular vein. Over time, you'll feel less anxious, more focused, and more grounded in your purpose. 2. Practice gratitude. When was the last time you stopped and appreciated what you have? Probably not often, because addiction trains your brain to always want more. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big. Maybe it's the sunlight coming through your window, a kind word from a friend, or your favorite meal. Gratitude rewires your brain to focus on the positive instead of the negative. 3. Move your body. Exercise is a cheat code for mental health, whether it's lifting weights or running. Moving your body releases feel-good chemicals like endorphins. It also gives you a sense of accomplishment, which boosts your self-esteem. Bonus: the physical changes you'll see over time will make you feel unstoppable. 4. Surround yourself with positive people. Look at the people around you. Do they lift you up or drag you down? If your friends are toxic, always complaining or encouraging your bad habits, it's time to distance yourself. Find people who inspire you, who challenge you to be better, and who celebrate your wins. Positive energy is contagious, just like negative energy. Choose wisely. 5. Prioritize sleep. A tired brain is a weak brain. When you don't get enough sleep, your decision-making gets worse, your cravings get stronger, and your emotions go haywire. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a bedtime routine, turn off screens an hour before bed, keep your room dark and cool, and go to sleep at the same time every night. 6. Be kind to yourself. Here's the thing, you're going to mess up. You'll have days where you relapse, lose focus, or fall short of your goals. That doesn't mean you're a failure, it means you're human. Stop beating yourself up for every mistake. Instead, learn from it, adjust, and keep moving forward. Self-compassion isn't weakness, it's a weapon that helps you keep going. Step 9. Change your identity. This might be the most important step. To truly quit your addiction, you need to change how you see yourself. If you see yourself as a gamer or a corn addict, you'll act like one. But if you see yourself as someone who's disciplined, focused, and successful, you'll start acting like that person instead. Ask yourself, who do you want to be? A chronic fapper with no goals, or someone who has their life together? Every choice you make should align with the person you want to become. Step 10. Handle relapses. Relapses happen. It's not the end of the world. When you slip up, don't spiral into guilt or shame. That only leads back to the bad habit. Instead, focus on your progress. If you've gone a week without your addiction, that's a win. Aim for 2 weeks next. Quitting isn't a straight line. It's trial and error. But every step forward gets you closer to the life you want. I went from wasting my life on video games and corn to building a body I'm proud of, pursuing meaningful goals, and actually feeling good about myself. You can do it too. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Every day you spend free from your addictions is a step toward a happier, more fulfilling life. Start now. Your future self will thank you. If you like this video, hit the like button. It helps others find this content, and that helps me too. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.